So first of all, you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see that this is the number lock key. Suppose if your number lock is not, you must turn on this number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. So don't remove your finger from this Alt key. You must press and hold this Alt key. At the same time, here you must type 8605. After typing 8605, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that we have created a rightwards wave arrow symbol. And suppose if you want to change the color in this word, you must select this, and after that you can change the color also from here in this word. For more videos you can subscribe.